In this video, we'll dive into the topic of how to withdraw money from Steam to bank account. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, now it's important to note right from the start that Steam Wallet funds can't be directly moved or withdrawn to a bank account. So basically, once you've redeemed a Steam Wallet code, those funds are securely tied to your account. Now, if you're looking to convert your Steam Wallet funds into real money, well, here are two alternatives for you to consider. So first off, if you've got an in-game items or trading cards in your Steam inventory, you can sell them on the Steam community market, and when these items sell, the money goes into your Steam wallet. While it doesn't go straight to your bank, it gives you Steam wallet funds that you can use for your next game buys. This is like turning your in-game goodies into game shopping credits. Pretty neat, right? And finally, another option is to use your Steam wallet funds to buy games as gifts. Then you can consider selling these game gifts to your friends or anyone interested. Just be aware that there might be restriction on gifting, particularly in certain regions, so it's a good idea to check the details before jumping into the gifting game. And that's it. While a direct withdrawal to a bank account isn't possible, these alternatives provide a practical ways to make the most of your Steam wallet funds. Whether you're selling in-game items, buying games as gifts, or exploring other avenues, these options ensure your Steam wallet doesn't just sit there, putting your funds to good use in the gaming world. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.